What's up everyone, it's Short Films. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of financial freedom? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of online income, exploring 10 fresh and surprisingly easy ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you're a student drowning in debt, a stay-at-home parent looking for some extra cash, or just someone who wants to be their own boss, the internet has opened up a world of opportunities. So grab your notebooks because we're about to unlock the secrets to building a steady income stream, all from the comfort of your own home. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a rewarding side hustle: online tutoring. No calculus, explain Shakespeare, or maybe coding or graphic design? These skills are in demand. Platforms like Preply and TutorMe connect you with students. Set your hours, work from anywhere, and charge your worth. Help others achieve their goals and earn big bucks. Selling digital products is the epitome of passive income. Create once, sell forever. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Identify a niche market and create high-quality products. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Creative Market make it easy to start selling. Leverage social media, content marketing, and email lists to connect with customers. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, a popular way to make money online. Recommend products you believe in and earn commissions. It's like word-of-mouth marketing on a larger scale. Partner with brands offering affiliate programs, share your unique link with your audience, earn a commission when they purchase, be authentic and transparent, promote products that align with your niche. Focus on your values and experience. For example, fitness enthusiasts can partner with related brands, share affiliate links and be upfront about your brand relationship. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. Do your research and build trust. Explore affiliate opportunities and share your recommendations. Now, if you're someone who thrives on variety and enjoys being your own boss, then the freelance gig economy might just be your calling. Today, it's a booming industry that's reshaping the way we work. Whether you're a wordsmith, a coding ninja, a design guru, or a virtual assistant extraordinaire, there's a high demand for skilled freelancers in virtually every field imaginable. And the best part? You get to choose your clients, set your rates, and work from wherever you please. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses and individuals with talented freelancers from around the globe. You can find gigs ranging from one-time projects to long-term contracts, allowing you to build a flexible and fulfilling career on your own terms. To stand out from the crowd, it's crucial to showcase your skills, build a strong portfolio, and craft compelling proposals that highlight your unique value proposition. Don't be afraid to niche down and specialize in a specific area. Once you've secured a few gigs and gained some positive reviews, don't be afraid to raise your rates accordingly. Networking is key in the freelance world. Connect with other freelancers in your niche, attend online events, and build relationships with potential clients. So, polish up your skills, craft a killer portfolio, and get ready to join the ranks of the freelance revolution. Let's talk about dropshipping, a profitable business model. Dropshipping lets you sell products without holding inventory. Partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Test products and niches with minimal risk. Choose reliable suppliers and offer unique products. Dropshipping is a low-cost way to start an online business. Let's talk about YouTube, a global phenomenon. YouTube is competitive, but there's room for new voices and engaging content. You don't need to be a Hollywood filmmaker to succeed. Many successful channels are faceless. This is where YouTube automation comes in. Use stock footage, screen recordings, and voiceovers. Outsource editing and uploading. Choose a niche and provide value. Optimize for search and promote your content. Use keywords and engage with viewers. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Share your knowledge without fear, embrace YouTube automation, and build your online empire. Alright, let's talk about a career path that's been steadily growing in popularity: remote customer support. Remote customer support has come a long way, and many companies are now offering competitive salaries, flexible schedules, and the opportunity to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Companies are constantly looking for talented and empathetic individuals to help them manage customer inquiries, resolve issues, and provide exceptional service. And with the rise of e-commerce, online services, and remote work, The demand for skilled customer support professionals has never been higher. The beauty of remote customer support is that it allows you to work from anywhere in the world, set your own hours, within reason of course, and enjoy a better work-life balance. Plus, you get to interact with people from all walks of life and help them solve problems, which can be incredibly rewarding. Websites like Indeed, Remote.co, and FlexJobs are great places to start your search. You can also reach out directly to companies that you admire and inquire about remote customer support opportunities. When applying for these positions, highlight your communication skills, problem-solving abilities, and any relevant experience you have in customer service or related fields. So, if you're looking for a stable and rewarding career that offers flexibility and the opportunity to make a real difference in people's lives, remote customer support might just be the perfect fit for you. Alright, let's talk about a side hustle that's both easy and fun: testing websites and apps. Companies are constantly looking for feedback on their websites and apps to ensure they're user-friendly, intuitive, and engaging. Platforms like User Testing, Try My UI, and Validately connect companies with testers from around the world. You'll be asked to complete tasks, answer questions, and provide your honest feedback on your experience. The best part? These tests typically only take 10 to 20 minutes to complete, and you can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per test. Now, not every test is created equal. Some tests may require you to have specific skills or experience, while others may be open to anyone with an internet connection. The key is to sign up for multiple platforms and fill out your profile completely to increase your chances of getting selected for tests that match your interests and expertise. Be honest and thorough in your feedback. Companies are looking for genuine insights, not just generic praise. So if you're looking for a fun and flexible way to earn some extra cash in your spare time, sign up for a few website and app testing platforms and start sharing your thoughts. It's a simple and effective way to make money online while helping companies improve their digital products. Alright, let's talk about a game changer in the world of content creation: artificial intelligence, AI. AI is rapidly advancing, and it's already having a significant impact on various industries, including content creation. AI-powered writing tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and Writer can help you generate high-quality content faster and more efficiently than ever before. These tools use natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data and generate human-quality text in a matter of seconds. Now, before you start panicking about robots taking over the creative industry, let me clarify. AI writing tools are not meant to replace human writers. Instead, they're designed to assist us, to free up our time so we can focus on the more strategic and creative aspects of content creation. Think of these tools as your trusty sidekicks, helping you overcome writer's block, generate ideas, and produce high-quality content at scale. You can use them to write blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, email campaigns, and even entire ebooks. However, it's important to remember that AI writing tools are just that, tools. They're not perfect, and they still require human oversight and editing to ensure accuracy, originality, and style. So if you're looking to boost your content creation productivity and stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving digital landscape, it's time to embrace the power of AI writing tools. Alright, let's talk about a business model that's been exploding in popularity: online course creation. The online education market has become incredibly competitive in recent years, but here's the thing: there's always an audience for high-quality, valuable information. And if you have expertise in a particular subject matter, creating an online course can be a lucrative way to share your knowledge with the world while generating passive income. Think about it. What skills or knowledge have you acquired through your education, career, or personal experiences that others would be willing to pay to learn? The beauty of online courses is that they're scalable. Once you've created your course content, you can sell it to an unlimited number of students without having to reinvent the wheel each time. This creates a passive income stream that can continue to generate revenue for months, even years, after you've launched your course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell your online courses. These platforms provide you with all the tools you need to build your course website, upload your content, process payments, and interact with your students. So, if you're passionate about teaching, eager to share your expertise, and looking for a way to generate passive income, online course creation, might just be the perfect side hustle for you. And there you have it, 10 fresh and surprisingly easy ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you're looking to ditch your 9-to-5, build a side hustle, or simply earn some extra cash, the opportunities are endless. Remember, the key to success in the online world is to be persistent, adaptable, and always willing to learn new things. So what are you waiting for? Choose a method that excites you, take action, and start building your online empire today. And hey, while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused.